Waalaikumsalam. I'm ready, teacher.
About rainforest.
About forest and animal.
About rainforest and animal.
Rainforest and animal.
About rainforest and animal.
About rain and animal.
About animal and rainforest.
About animal and rainforest. Yes, because rainforest keeping our planet healthy.
Because I saw a thick rainforest in Tamburong in the TV.
Yes, well done, Adam. Indeed, in Brunei, we have rainforest, for example, in Temburong, and also your surrounding. Look at your surrounding. We have lots of different trees. We have different animals in the wild. So, yes, Brunei have rainforest.
Sugar cane stalks.
Bamboo.
Bamboo.
Bamboo, teacher.
So this plant is called bamboo ataupun Melayunya kena panggil buluh ah. Yes, it's grows in our country ya, ada tumbuh di negara kita ni. Ada kawasannya lah ha. So the next question is, what are the product or what can be made from the bamboos? Apa yang boleh tani buat menggunakan bambu ni? Okay?
Can make kite, teacher.
Green. Bamboo floor.
We can use lemang using bamboo.
Basket.
Chair.
Chopstick.
Chandas. Chair.
Pillow cover. Kite. Maracas.
Actually bamboo, we can use so many things with we can make so many things such as we can make rafts, raketa, to build houses, but of course nowadays we don't use it, but we can make one using the bamboos. We can also make bridges, tani boleh buat jambatan menggunakan bamboo. And sometimes we can make it as a mat, tikar, hats, topi, fish traps, bubu. We can make bubu from bamboo, and also some chopsticks. Okay, well done for your all of your answer. That is all correct.
Stool, swing, chair.
Orchid. Orchid. Orchid.
Orchid.
Orchid.
Orchid. My late grandma have it.
Okay, now how do you know it's an orchid? Is this type of plant, it doesn't grow on the ground. Ia akan tumbuh di tanah. It often can be found on the tree trunks or branches. Ia akan tumbuh di pohonan ataupun dahan-dahan ataupun arah batang pokok yang hidup. So selalunya kalau dalam hutan, memang ia actually wild flowers. And it's not easy to take care of them. Bukan senang untuk menjaga orchid ini sebab ia tumbuhan liar.
Venus. Venus.
Venus.
Okay, to pronounce this word, okay, this plants, it's not Venus, but it's vines. Vines. Everybody, please correct your pronunciation. It's vines.
Vines. Monkey.
Monkey.
Sloth.
Snake.